Hey guys, welcome to Tasty Buds. I'm Ramya here. Today I'll be revealing you the product of Ayush Health Promotional Kit. It is an natural immunity booster. So it is approved by Ministry of Ayush. You can ask me several questions regarding to this. I'll be answering it one by one. As you all know that we are running under pandemic diseases COVID-19. So this promotion kit will protect us from these kind of diseases by taking it into our daily life. Gradually, it gives the immunity power. Since we are into our hectic life, because of lacking our diet or not concentrating on our daily routine diets, we are literally sick sometimes. So in that kind of situations, this kind of booster packs will really help us and also give good hand, especially for the senior citizens, kids, teenagers, everybody. So I will answer to your questions one by one. Please stay focused on this product and to my answers. You can ask me why boosting your immunity is essential. Immunity is a crucial defense wall that protects your body against infections, diseases and allergies. Boosting immunity ensures better resistance to diseases. You can also ask me the question, how can these medicines help improve immunity? It's a right question. Since I am suggesting this kit to buy, you may have in your minds, how can it help us? So behalf of you, I am answering this. These medicines are naturally herbal formulation that nourishes your cells, strengthen your organs and increase your white blood cell count. The white blood cells are typically responsible for enhancing your immunity. There are 3 boxes inside this kit where I'll be describing it to you slowly by some illustrations. So one is it is in the kind of churn, the other 2 are in the formation of tabs. So you can ask me, why take all the 3 medicines? All 3 medicines are composed of different ingredients containing essential elements that boost our body immunity. Ayush Kwath Churna defends the body against bacteria and viruses by increasing Agni Sudarshana Ghanavati fights antigens viral infection and Samashasami Vati boosts immunity. You can also ask me, how do I take these medicines? You can consume Ayush Kwatha twice daily by dissolving scoop of powder into 150 ml boiled water with 3 gram. This one, the big one, Ayush Kwatha powder. You can take 3 grams into a lukewarm water and you can drink in the morning time. Since it has got the ingredients like tulsi, ginger, pepper, cumin. These are all the immunity. By taking this, it will increase our white blood cells, which protects us from not influencing by all these kind of diseases. So, you must take all these as prescribed by them, which you get in this pack. Second, Ayush Kvata powder. This one is the Ayush Kvata powder. That should be taken 3 grams Ayush Kvata powder into a 550 of boiling water and let it boil for 3 minutes and drink when warm. You may also wish to add few drops of lemon juice. It's your desire. You can add jaggery, you can add honey or mint leaves according to your flavor. You can add as you wish. So Sudarshana Ganavati, 1 tablet twice a day after food with water. This one, Sudarshana Ganavati. This Sudarshana Ganavati, it is in the tablet form. You can take 1 tablet twice a day after food with warm water. This is Shamani Vati. This is 600 gram of high quality Guduchi extract. 1 tablet twice a day after food with warm water. You can ask, what do if I sense side effects? There are no side effects by taking this Ayush Health Promotional Kit, since it is an Ayurvedic medicine. So it has also been prescribed by Ayurveda. So there is no harm in taking this. How long can we take this medicine also? You may have in your mind. These medicines are of period of till 6 months. It has got a certain timings to set into our body. Taking for 1 month will not help us. At least minimum you should take for 6 months. By taking for 6 months, it will speed up our immunity power. So at least you must take for 6 months. So while I'm on these medications, should I follow any dietary restrictions, you may ask. There's nothing such you should be on to diet. You can take the diet as you require. You can also take a healthy house diet when you are consuming this. That is much safer. So these medicines should be avoided, like pregnant, lactating mothers and children should take these medicines only under medical supervision. So by consulting doctor, you can take this. Preferably, these category people should consult doctor. Childrens can use these medicines, but only on a Ayurvedic doctor's recommendation. These medicines are not recommended for infants. You must note this. So these are the clarity which I have given to you. A beautiful immunity booster pack which I have introduced to you, along with 3 medicine and powder. So if you have any doubts and queries, you can consult Ayush Ayurvedic people regarding this. Since I have been using from past 1 month, our whole family is taking this. No side effects has been to us so far. So that's the reason why I picked this today to our subscribers and to the viewers to give a glance who are suffering from COVID-19 or into a fear of COVID-19. So please check this pack, and my humble request to everybody to go through this product. We also have our home remedies to protect ourselves from these kind of pandemic diseases, where we are preparing from our home itself the churnas, which I'll be showing to you shortly in my video. So in this Kvata Churna, there are tulsi, cinnamon, ginger, black pepper. The second one, Samshamani Vati. There you get Guduchi extract of 500 mg. The third one, Sudarshan Ganavati, in which you have each 350 mg tablet contains Haritaki, Vibhatiki, Amalaki, all these kinds of Ayurvedic mulas, along with Lavang, Pipali, Jivaka, all the ingredients. Since we will not be knowing all these names, only the Ayurvedic people will be knowing about this. So, as I said, the pregnant women's, infants should not be taken this. If you are supposed to take this, then you must consult a doctor of Ayurveda and you can take. So thank you very much for watching this. Do not forget to subscribe my Tasty Bud channel for more updates. I think this medicine promotional kit will be beneficiary and helpful to you all. Meet you again with another product. Thank you so much.